Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. So, if you are seeing my channel at first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. So, SBI recruiting circle based vacancies. So, we can check the details. Circles are Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chennai, Hyderabad, Jaipur and Maharashtra. So these are the vacancies for SC category, ST category, OBC category. Total 3,850 vacancies are there. So the candidates who are eligible for this job can apply for the job. So the essential qualifications are graduation, that is degree in any discipline from recognized university or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by central government. So there is an age limit. Age limit is not above 30 years old. So the candidates who are below 30 years old can apply for the job. Relaxation in, as usual, relaxation in upper age limit will be given for SC ST category 5 years of age limit, and for OBC non-creamy layer category 3 years of age relaxation will be given. So experience is needed for the job. Minimum 2 years experience as an officer in any scheduled commercial bank or any regional rural bank. So there is and 2 years of experience is needed to apply for the job. Then one thing, that is local language. Candidates applying for vacancies of state have to produce 10th or 12th standard mark sheet or certificate evidencing having studied the specific local language of the applied state as one of the subjects. Then selection procedure. The selection will be based on shortlisting and interview. However, bank reserves right to conduct written examination. Mere fulfilling minimum qualification and experience will not vest any right in candidate for being called for interview. The shortlisting committee constituted by the bank will be decide the shortlisting parameters, and thereafter an adequate number of candidates as decided by bank will be shortlisted and called for interview. The merit list for selection will be prepared in descending order on the basis of scores obtained only in interview. So the salary details, we can check the salary details. At the starting scale, the salary will be 23,700 rupees plus one increment for each completed year of service rendered in officer category in the scheduled commercial bank and regional rural bank. Then how to apply? This is the most important thing. The candidate can apply online from 27/7/2020 to 16 August 2020. No other mode of application will be accepted. Prerequisites for applying online: candidate should have a valid email ID and mobile number which should be kept active till the declaration of results. It will be essentially required for receiving any communication, call letters or advices from the bank by email or SMS. So guidelines for filling the online application: candidate will be required to register themselves online through bank's website. The link is given in the description box, you can check it out. After registration, candidates are required to pay the requisite application fee through online mode by debit card, credit card or internet banking. In case of any problem in filling the form, payment of fee, intimation charges or receipt of admission or call letter, queries may be made at telephone number 022 228 20427 between 11 am to 4 pm. So there is an application fees of 750 rupees. For SC, ST, PWD, that is physically disabled category, there is no application fees. So the candidates who are eligible for the job meet the required eligibility criteria can apply for the job before 16th August 2020. If your friends or relatives are eligible for this job, please share with them also. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumb icon. And any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box.